Today's secret sauce is screen coating. How much emulsion is enough? If we lined up 10 screen printers with a range of experience from a year to 20 years, and we asked them how they coat their screens, we would get 10 different ideas. One might say, I coat once on the print side and twice on the ink side. The next might say, I coat once on each side, let it dry, and 2 more coats on the print side, and on with no two the same. What we're talking about with coating a screen is placing wet emulsion in a scoop coater and pulling it up one side of the screen and the other to deposit emulsion on the screen mesh. After the emulsion is dry, we expose that screen with a film positive and UV light. Wherever the light touches the screen, the emulsion hardens. Where the light is blocked by the film positive, the emulsion stays soft, and that portion of the emulsion washes away under warm water. So why are there so many different ways that screen printers coat their screens? There are a couple of reasons. Sometimes it depends on the ink you're using. You may want a heavier laydown of emulsion to increase the amount of ink that can be depositive. That's usually for some types of specialty ink. In my opinion, the more common reason is a band-aid for pinholes. Pinholes are those tiny holes that open up during production. The true fix for pinholes is to properly degrease the screen before coating, rather than pile on more emulsion. Here's how I coat a screen based on coating tens of thousands of screens over the years. I coat once on the print side and once on the ink side. And in reality, I don't even care which side I coat first. The secret sauce is the way you dry the emulsion, not which side you coat first. After coating, screens need to be dried in a drying rack just the way they're loaded on the press, ink side up, print side down. In the rack, the wet emulsion will migrate through the mesh and give you a heavier deposit of emulsion on the bottom print side of the screen. The heavier deposit will give you a very smooth surface where the screen comes in contact with the garment. Coat your screens once on each side and dry in a rack, ink side up, print side down. That's my secret sauce for today.